Peace, family. Esikhomesteddah the homesteader here. All right, family. So in this video, I'm not really showing you guys because it's very simple to do, but I will walk you through on how to create a ladder mesh trellis on your raised bed. Now, I was undecided, and I'm still undecided on really how I want to keep this. If I want to make it permanent or just in a way kind of want to be able to move the ladder mesh around the yard as needed. So I did both ideas. I did a permanent and then I did a removal one, easy to removal. So one of the reasons why I don't think I want it permanent is because the staples that I did buy, which I think are too big for the ladder mesh. So in order to create this, it's very easy. You can actually hammer the staple nails into the wood, which I believe these are too big. And it was very hard to get it over to the other side because the planks over here is very thin. So I shoved it down into the my refrigerator raised bed, and that also gives it some stability. So after I got started with the permanent way of putting it up, I said, well, let me try it the non-permanent way. So you can easily fold the ladder mesh. It's very pliable, as you can see, and you can easily just tuck it in to your raised bed. You don't have to hammer this or anything if you're going to do it on your newly made raised bed that's in your yard. So you have options. I think I'm going to actually remove these staples and do it the easy removal way, the temporary way, and leave it like that. But I love the turnout, and I said I'm gonna call this my Volkswagen. My what do you call it? What's the little wagons that they used back in the old days? The Perry wagons. I love those. I always said I wanted a Perry wagon, and by it, you know, sitting up here like this, that's exactly what it looks like. I like the turnout of it. It looks really, really good. I also sowed seeds in it already. Let me see if I can get you guys a glimpse of all the seeds that are in there. So pretty much everything is sowed up. We got lots of cucumber, watermelon, cantaloupe, what they call them, munchers, cucumbers. So it's a variety of stuff in here, and I look forward to everything trellising up. As you can see, you guys, I'm trying to get better with my labels of what I'm growing, because y'all know Essie just throws seeds out everywhere, and I do forget what I have planted in certain areas of the garden because I be throwing so much seeds all over the place. So this is what it is looking like, you guys, and let me know what you think. I think the temporary fix on it is much better than the permanent. We gonna try and see because the watermelon, the sugar babies, and the cucumbers, they will get heavy. So we're just gonna see how it works. We're gonna see how it works. We're gonna see how the weight is, and if the weight gets too much, then I will bring the non-permanent side out and nail it in. But like I said, these staples, I believe these staples is entirely too big, because I really had a hard time trying to get those in. So but like I said, it is sturdy, you know. I may even think about zip tying them. I'm not sure just yet, but this is a easy way to create a trellis on your raised bed ladder mesh. All right, family. So this is Essie the homesteader. It is getting hot out here. Our weather is warming up into the 80s now. So I'm trying to get everything sold up. All right, family. So this is SEK, the homesteader, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and make sure you share. Peace.